Now I'm going to explain that is accumulator blow molding for design considerations. There are three in different ways, that is I am going to explain that is petition and material, then mold and part design, and process parameter. Three different points I will explain. Petition and material. Petition properties, that is the temperature, wall thickness and consistency of the petition are crucial. A petition that is too thin may thin out further and fail, while an inconsistent one can lead to defects. That is material selection. Choose a material with the correct properties for the application, such as impact strength, chemical resistance, and flexibility. The material's behavior under heat and pressure must be that is considered. Material temperature. Maintain consistent temperature during the extrusion of the petition. Inconsistent petition temperature can lead to defects in the final part. Mold and part design. Corners and transition radius, that is generous radius, that is should be used in corners and transitions to prevent the petitions from stretching too thin. A minimum corner radius of one third the depth of the mold half is good guidance. That is for rectangular containers. Keep in mind draft angles, that is include sufficient draft angles to allow for easy removal of the part from the mold. That is an and flash. Design the part geometry so that the flash is easy to separate. The cutting edge geometry of the mold is important for clean separation. Wall thickness. Design the part of minimize areas of extreme stretching or deep draws, that is which can cause excessive thinning of the plastics. Process parameters. Blowing pressure. Use sufficient blowing pressure, typically between that is 0.3 to 0.7 MPa for optional part definition and heat transfer. Blowing speed, that is a rapid blowing that is process is preferred. The optimal speed depends on the part design, petition properties, and the mold temperature. Air pressure maintenance. Maintain air pressure, that is throughout the cooling cycle until the mold opens to prevent the part from collapsing. That is mold closing, that is speed, that adjust the mold closing speed, balance flash separation with the quality of the weld. Thank you very much.